Alright guys, welcome back to another video here. This is the new daily. Replaced the Sonata because I was not going to deal with having a 2.4 liter GDI that needed to be replaced and cost 2,500 bucks. So today we're just going to be doing some overall maintenance, getting it ready for a safety. And yeah, so we're going to do an oil change to start and then tighten up the rear brakes here. So for this you'll need a 17 mil to get the drain plug out. Oh, and look it's unlike the Sonata. This isn't all tight. It's almost like Accents are superior cars. That doesn't look too dirty. Should start getting new things, but we're not going to worry about that. That looks good. I'll give it the old 1-2 wiperoo. Okay. Oh, I'm getting oily. What the hoo? Okay, there we go. I was threading it the wrong way. I've only owned Accents I've only owned 3 of them, and I've had them for almost 10 years now, so it makes sense that I wouldn't understand how it works. Okay. All right, now we're gonna pull the filter off. That does not look like an OEM filter, so it's gotta go. Oh. Okay. Well, that's tight. Next, you're gonna need a oil filter tool because they're on really tight for some reason all the time. I didn't do this one because this is the first oil change on this car that I've done, so it's not my fault. Yours? Are these your gloves?
I don't know. Your girlfriend got them for you.
Put them on, I'm gonna soak them in blood.
Oh, they're not mine. They're just red gloves. Just wear them. Oh, those came with your
Oh yeah, they did.
your starter or something, right? No,
My
what?
starter, the carbon fiber, maybe? No, the epoxy kit. No, wait.
No, it was a part for your car. That
No,
you
it
put
was.
on.
What part did it come from? Okay,
There you go. Good to go.
now we're gonna try to get this filter off.
I have no clue what this thing's working down there.
Ugh. Ugh. Okay, let's see if that got loose. Oh yeah. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Ah!
This guy loves spilling oil.
Well, I can't even say it's not on my driveway. It is on my driveway. I live here. Yuck. No. Bad. It's a little icy, but that's okay because the oil is hot and it will melt it. Yep, that's going to be definitely part of the video. We're going to take our filter and put some oil in it. This is going to end up getting really fun when I don't know which key opens what car.
For anyone who doesn't know, he has another one.
You can never have too many Hyundai Accents. Soon I'll have to change my channel name.
And what will that be to?
Isaac's Accents. Right. Okay, now we just got to get the filter on. good and tight. Clean up, wipe up all around here. Okay. Now I need to put in 4 liters of oil. This is going to be fun. Good. Got the oil in it. Now we just need to stir it up. Oh, that is way too.
Does that not concern you just a little?
That's looking at gasket.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, but it doesn't look head gasket blown in there. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't. Might. Nice low kilometer accents here. 225,000 maybe. Ignore the check engine light. All right, so we got the rear drum off here. Just gonna give it a little clean up in here and tighten it up a little bit because it's a bit loose.
Don't be afraid to give it a good.
I don't want to use too much, you know. It's a little different when you're using your own supply.
I get that.
Like this, we pay for this shop stuff. All right, flathead here and. Adjusts. Kind of just let that dry off a little before I throw that back on. All right, so we're just gonna test fit this on here and see if that's tight enough. Pretty tight now, actually. Try this again here. Let's see how that feels. All right, that spins pretty nicely there. Let's see how tight it is now. Oh no, I'm knocking stuff over. All right, we're now just gonna quickly rip this other side. Okay, that's a little bit tighter. Okay, now we'll quickly just give this a little clean out here. couple clicks. Just gonna clean off the surfaces here. All right, everything's cleaned up. Throw it all back together. Okay. Oh, not bad.
I gotta call him to try and put the game plug back on, but I don't want to do that.
See if I can do this one-handed. Boom. Two. Three. All right, rear wheels are back on the car. Let's see, did that fix the... Well, that feels better, so now it's definitely just needs to be tightened up in the cable a little bit. Which for that, I gotta go down here, grab a flathead. Probably a 12. All right, guys, well, got the first accent here done being worked on. Time to start working on that one now. Got to replace the door latch in this thing because it does not shut. And that's a problem. Okay, let's see. Disconnect that, pull that out. Disconnect that, pull that out. That should allow that to slide out there. So just go to pull that there. Let's see, how is this? Just come out of there, just pull. Just gotta get this past the window. Mechanism without. Okay. Oh, this has clearly been broken for a while. Okay. Okay. Old latch is out, sitting right there. New latch will go in. All right, let's see how much this last bit I can film here.